So today we're going to talk about the discriminant of a quadratic equation. So the discriminant is part of the quadratic equation. So do you remember the quadratic equation? It's x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So the discriminant is the part under the square root sign. It is the b squared minus 4ac. This is the part that tells us how many real solutions there are to the equation. So think about it. If you have b squared minus 4ac, if that is a positive number, if it's greater than 0, you're going to have two real solutions. Oh, that's funny, not two L's. And if b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, the square root of 0 is just 0. So you're going to have one solution, and it's actually going to be equal to negative b over 2a, because this plus or minus square root is going to go away if that's equal to 0. If b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, that means it's negative. Then you're not going to have any real solution because you'll have a square root of a negative number. So that's no real solutions. You will have two distinct complex numbers that are conjugates of each other. So you can just look at this quadratic formula that they're giving, and you take b squared. So b is positive 3, a is negative 2, and c is negative 7. So what we want to do is we want to take b squared, subtract 4 times a times c. B squared is 9. 4 times negative 2 times negative 7. Negative times a negative is a positive. So we're going to be subtracting a number bigger than 9. So this is going to be equal to, let's see, 9 minus 8 times 7, 56. And that's going to give you a negative 47. So we're going to go ahead and put that in here. Negative 47, and that means there's 0 real solutions. Okay, let's try one more example. Okay, so we're going to look, our b here is negative 6, a is negative 9, and c is negative 1. So if we take negative 6 squared is 36 minus 4 times negative 9 times negative 1. 4 times negative 9 is negative 36 times negative 1 is positive 36. 36 minus 36 is equal to 0. So our discriminant is 0, which means we're going to have one real solution. And that's the end of the lesson.